So I'm going to illustrate with a song called Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. Now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body now. 5, 6, 2, 4. 5, 6, 2. A repetition of that.